Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're doing well and taking good care of yourself. One of the most common questions I receive from my viewers are skin related and specifically about hyperpigmentation. In this video, I will talk about hyperpigmentation in the body folds in particular. So places like underarms, around the groin, folds of neck, areas like that. The affected skin can also become thick and appear velvety. Hyperpigmentation is a condition that affects all skin tones, but it is definitely more common among darker skin tones. However, this particular condition I am discussing, which is specific to body folds and creases, is very much related to lifestyle choices, specifically diet. You will often find this condition among diabetics and pre-diabetics and overweight people. It is not contagious, nor does it present a danger to a person's health. What it does show, however, is that a person is dealing with high insulin levels. And yes, the condition can be reversed. If you address the root problem and eliminate it, the symptom will automatically disappear. In this case, if you lower the insulin and estrogen levels in the body, you will get rid of this issue in a very short time. I have done a video on the topic of estrogen, which discusses in detail all the terrible things high estrogen levels can do to you and how to lower them. So please check it out. I will link it here and also in the about section of this video. Another thing you need to do is control your insulin levels. I have two words for you: diet and exercise. You should eliminate refined carbohydrates from your diet, remove corn, junk food, foods that are high on glycemic index. Instead, eat more fresh fruits and vegetables, especially cruciferous vegetables, and bitter foods like bitter melon, dandelion greens, cranberries, Indian gooseberry, and green tea. This will help clear out your body of toxins and promote your pancreas, liver, and kidneys to work better, which will help reset the body. Drink fresh vegetable juices and smoothies, and include herbs like moringa, fenugreek seeds, turmeric, ginger, and garlic in your diet. Another thing that is also very, very good for you is costus root. I'm going to do a separate video on costus root, so make sure you keep an eye out for it. So diet has to be the first thing when it comes to addressing the issue. Remember, it has to be the inside-out approach. If you ignore the inside, no matter what products you apply on the outside, it won't really make a difference. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't do anything externally. Your skin needs care. In this condition, two things will be very helpful. Milk-based products like milk-based soaps, creams, and lotions are very good. And second is massaging with fenugreek infused oil. You can take equal amount castor and coconut oils, put them in a jar, and fill 1/3 of that jar with fenugreek seeds, and let it sit in direct sunlight for up to 7 days. You can use this oil afterwards for your skin, your hair, cracked heels. It makes a wonderful moisturizer. I have shared with you how to make this infused oil on my Instagram, so please check it out. And don't forget adequate amounts of water. You need to drink between 8 to 12 cups of water daily. This is it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am available for consultations as well. You can reach me through the comment section below, through my website or Facebook and Instagram. Please show me some love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you shortly. Goodbye.